Hello children, my name is Mr. Peter Inozeme. Welcome to Grade 5 Science. Our topic for today is characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Now, what is the characteristics of living things? When you say characteristics of something, you are trying to find out what makes that thing what it is. If I say I am Mr. Peter, how am I Mr. Peter? Why am I Mr. Peter? What are those things I do that will make you to say, okay, Mr. Peter does something like this. Okay, this is Mr. Peter. Now, those things that I do is what we refer to as my character. Now, the characteristics of living things are those things you will always see in living things. Those things that every living things do are what we refer to as the characteristics of living things. Now, these characteristics of living things comes with an acronym. And that acronym is Mr. Niger Card. Now, every letter here stands for a word. Every letter in this acronym stands for a word. For example, movement. M stands for movement. R stands for respiration. N stands for nutrition. I stands for irritability. G stands for growth. E stands for excretion. R, the second R, stands for reproduction. C stands for competition. A stands for adaptation. And D stands for death. All living things must die. Death, yes. As long as it's a living thing, it must die one day. Okay. Here is a task for you. You are going to write a short note, very short note, explaining to me what what they stand for, what they mean. For example, movement. You're going to say, all living things move from one point to another. So you're going to do the same thing for respiration, nutrition, irritability, growth, excretion, reproduction, competition, adaptation, and death. Do this, upload your answer on the portal and your teacher will mark. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.